Well, you can follow Wall Street this last week has made a lot of people feel pretty good. The recent rally extended into a fourth week, brought the Dow Jones average just above the 8,000 mark. You know, this coming week officially begins what they call the first quarter earnings season, and that could tell us if the market continues to rise or drop, as some have predicted. Joining us now is author of The Carrot Principle, business consultant Chester Elton, and we were just showing some video by mistake, I guess, of praying. Do we need to pray for the Dow Jones starting tomorrow, or are we in the beginning of a rally? Or is it a bear rally, a sucker's rally that's going to sucker us in thinking we're doing okay?
Well, Eric, you can never pray too much. Let's make that clear. Happy Easter. And, you know, I'm very hopeful that we've hit bottom and things are starting to come back around. I don't think I'd put too much stock in the earnings that are coming out. You know, rallies or, you know, coming out of this recession is going to take longer than just the reporting of a few companies over one quarter. But I'm very encouraged that companies are now getting back around to, you know, engaging their customers, engaging their employees, and moving forward.
Yeah, but they still say that consumer confidence isn't there yet. I mean, look at GE. So many Americans own stock in GE, and man, did that get wiped out, you know, practically. And every time, we don't understand this stuff. Every night you see the Wall Street reports, and they say, oh, this company did that. This was down this way. It sends the stock diving when you thought that your 401k is going up, and the opposite seems, it's opposite day over there. It always seems that we don't understand it, and we don't know what's happening.
I love your opposite day. My kids just went through that at school. You're right. You know, all this conflicting reports, and that's why I think, you know, right now, patience. People say, well, pull all your money out of your 401k. Well, it all depends when you need it. You know, I don't need my 401k for another 15 years, so I, like a lot of employees, every 2 weeks I'm buying. When I see that, you know, GE is down and I know it's in my portfolio, you've got to take the attitude that, hey, I'm buying it cheap. It's going to come back. I've got faith in these companies that they will rally, and they will. Be patient. You'll be fine.
I know someone did that. They bought it at 13. They sent this email to us saying they were so happy and went down like to 7.
Exactly.
The S&P, though, is up 25% or so in the last month, but there's some economists who are afraid and are predicting that this will go down 10 or maybe 15% over the next a couple of months, especially with their earnings coming out.
Yeah, no, I think they're wrong. I really do. I think this is now the time where you've seen the government intervention has helped. And again, I think employers are starting to focus more on, okay, we've made all the cuts we can. Now it's time to rally. And this is a good time. If you've bought low, be patient. It'll build up. And I think, again, companies are starting to focus on their customers again. They're starting to focus on their employees and investing in them. And those are all good indicators.
Well, it is Easter Sunday, a time for faith and hope. And we know everyone watching right now certainly hopes that we've been going like this, and we hope we finally start going like this.
You bet.
Chester Elton, thanks very much for joining us.
Appreciate you having me.
Jamie?